Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be well friends. So today we will solve the problem of the day problem. Okay. So question is print the adjacent list. Right. We will print the adjacent lists. Right. So already has a given a on-directional graph with the capital V nodes and capital E edges. Right. Create and return the adjacent list of the graph. We will return. Okay. We will create and after then we will return the adjacent of the graph, right? And one more thing, our best indexing is 0, right? From 0 we will start, right? So I'm going to explain this to the problem, how can be the approach and how can we you solve it, right? So I'm going to the show you. Already I have taken here, right? So already question has said our based on the 0 indexing, right? So we will draw the one things, right? Already decided I had the vertices is 5, right? I'm going to the draw again, just like firstly this. I'm drawing this friend because if you are a beginner, so it will be helpful you your to your concept, it will be clear, right? You know the already in your the mathematics during their solution, so you are using that like of the but I just value are importing, right? You are indicating the joints, right? So that's why this like of, okay. So we need to the find how many ways, right? How many ways can come to the at the single position. So I'm writing here the already question has told from the zero base reduction, right? So 0 1 2, our vertices how much 5, right? So we will 0 to 4 3 4, all right. So here we will see adjacents, right? How much adjacents is here is 1 and here is 4 inside the place of 0, right? But one more thing, if you will be solved this like firstly I will be this rule, okay. So here 1 and 4, 1 and 4, fine. And at the place of 1 how much, 0 also, 4 also, 3 also, 2 also, right? 0 2 and 3 and 4, all right. At the place of 3 only 1 and 3, 1 and 3, right? So here it will be at the place of 3, right? 1 2 4, 1 2 4, all right. And at the place of 4 how much adjacent is coming, 0 1 3, 0 1 3. So as you can see here the this one is the 2, right? As you can see here the answer, right? So first of all 1 4 0 2 3, 0 2 3 4 and 1 3 and 1 2 4 and 0 1 3 4, right? So this like of the our approach. And the second way approach, how can you solve it, right? You have already given this on the array, right? Array list is a 2D array, right? First of all you need to create the list, right? Already has given here the list, right? We need to return the list also, right? So first of all what we will do, first of all this one is the 0, right? Already we have decided 0 1 2 3 4 5, okay friend. Sorry, 5 it will be not here, okay. So here you can see here the this one is first of all you indicated this one is the index and this one is the value. At the place of 0 what will be 1, and the second time this one it will be index and this one it will be your value. It means at the place of 1 you will put 0. Second one, this one is the index, right? And this one is the value. At the 0 index put the 4, fine. And the second position, this one here the index and this one here the value. At the place of 4 put the 0, right? And move on the next. This one is the 4. It means 4 is the index, and at the index we will place the 4, sorry, 1, right, right. And this one is our, it will be index, and this one it will be value, this 4. So at the place of index 1 we will put 4. Fine. Move on to this one. So this one our the index 4, and our the value it will be 3. Fine. And this one it will be our the index. So this will be index 3 index, and value it will be 4. Fine. This one is our the index 1 index, and value it will be 3, right. And this one it will be our the index, and this will be at the 3 index, it will value 1. Fine. And this one it will be index 1 index at the place of 2. Fine. And this one it will be index 2 index, and the value is 1, right. And this one is the 3 is the index, and value is 2, and 2 index, and value is 3, right. So you can see here the friends, both approach are same, right. Both approach is same, but this one is the can you solve the in your the for the visible, right. If you are drawing with your hand pen paper, so it can be this one, it will be easy, right. But but if you want to solve this one for these edges, so you need to follow this step. So you first of all you create the list, right. It mean that like of the list you will be create. First of all you will create the list, right. This like first of all create the list, and after then lists of the sublists, right. Because this one it will be a store in a this way, and this one it will be stored this way, because indexing is important, right. And here it will be this one, it will be stored this here, right. So first of all what we will do, we will create the list of the list, right. How much required of the list sublets v, which means there is a how much v, that much we require the sub part of the uh, sub sub list, right. And there we will place the index value at the indexing wise, right. So I'm going to the writing code, okay. And you will be understand better way, okay. So first of all we need to the create the list teacher, and name of the list, okay. And after then friends, I want to the create the list of the list. How can we create? So I'm going to the one for loop. Already v has coming, capital V, fine, and I plus plus, and after then at the place of list we will add the new array list. Do you understand this one? Okay. I hope you will be understand, but I will show you. I have written already here. I'm going to the this one as the comment on. You can see here the I have created the this one, right. And you will see the result here, right. You can see here the inside the list already we have created the separated 5 lists, right. Already we right 0 to 4 values, okay. and and move on the next. What we will do now, we will one by one value we will keep inside the sub list, right. So first of all I'm going to write here the for loop, and this one is started from the 0, and edges dot length length, okay. And after then list dot get, I will be tell you friends why I'm writing here. So here inside the get is the method, and I will write the edges edges, and here will be I, and here it will be 0. Fine. Why am this writing? This one is the position, right? This one is the index position. Where has one? This one is the index position, right? Already has here. I have written here, right? This one is the um, zero position. This one is the one position. This one is a two. This one is a three. This one is the four. I'm writing here the that's why I'm writing here the position, right? This one it will be take the position initially inside the list, and after then add the value, add the heads, and I and it from one, right? It will be take because already given here the only two elements inside the, okay. And after then second one list dot get edge, and after then one here, and add again edcs. Here it will be I, and here it will be 0. I have written here, friends. I hope you will be understand, friends, right? What is going on here? First of all, because you can see here the friends, I'm taking the zero index position and one index position, right? And this one it will be varies, right? So you can see here that this one is the only two, 0 and 1, right? All vertices has the given only two two elements inside, right? So that's why I'm taking the 0 and 1, and this one is the 0 and 1. This one is the indexing, it's showing on the list, right? This one list, those one we have created the sublists, so those one indexing wise it will be stored that like one by one, right? Because this one part is the this one get, right? And this one is the add is method. Add this method is taking the one by one value from the edges, and it will put the this index wise, right? And after that we will return the value, return the list, right? I'm going to the compile it. Let's see the result. Friends, if you have a better solution, so definitely you will share with us. So wait a second, evaluating is started. Where I have done the mistake, I have done here the mistake, add, sorry, here we need to the close our the gates, and here one should be the remove. Fine, now let's compile. So you can see here the friends, our output has and expected output is also both are the same. So I'm going to the submit it, and let's see the result. So it has submitted, friends. I hope you will be understand. Thanks for this watching video, friends. We will meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.